You make it, Kelly skates it. It's a new series where we open things and we put it into a board and then Kelly skates it. Oh no.
Oh, nice.
This is the first time this has ever happened. What's up, Braille? Skate? This is an aluminum board I got years ago, skated, and just kept around to slide on iced up hills.
That sounds fun.
Haven't used it and have watched all your skate videos on YouTube. I thought you could give it a go. Try your best to bend it. I have never been able to, and neither everyone else has. First try! From Cliff in Missouri.
Do you really think someone's actually watched every single video?
Yeah, Mario.
Yeah, Mario, yeah, seriously.
No, there's no way.
I don't know.
That's how many videos do you have? 2,000, like 3,000?
Like 3,783.
With every video is like 10 minutes more. One's 45 minutes.
The older ones.
That's gotta be like maybe 10 to 50
Kelly,
years of like life.
He just graduated high school. He's really got a lot of testosterone occurring. This is the most beautiful thing I might have ever seen. Just feel that and look at that. Isn't that a beauty? It's the lightest aluminum skateboard and it doesn't chip. Who made this? This is really well made. This wasn't like a home shop project.
Vans.
Yeah, I guess Vans made it. Hit me with, yeah, the white trucks. Some hardware.
Why don't we go silver? It would actually blend in more.
Because we need to see it when it flips. Duh. Purple would be nice.
Okay.
Different truck.
I think those are actually the best trucks we have.
Yes, these are the Thanos Pro Model Edition.
They are.
Has Aaron actually seen that movie, or is he just making this
He
up?
has.
He has?
Yeah,
I have. More relevant than me.
What's that thing you put? It's Laurel? I don't even know what that means.
Have you heard Yanni at any point?
No.
No, I only hear Laurel.
Okay, give me some hardware, Laurel.
Sorry, I just heard Yanni.
Give me some hardware, Kelly. Sorry, I just heard Luke. Luke, can you give me hardware? It's like when you ask these guys to wear some Braille gear and they show up in Cal Poly and Nike SB sweat.
Oh, he's got you.
Give me some actual hardware, please.
Where? What?
In the hard.
I gave him the hardware.
Just
Where's the screw gun? Intern. It's in there.
Kickflip off. Oh, yay.
Kelly, the worst kickflipper in the world.
Yeah, I won the kickflip off.
Who knew? If
we land it, it's a tie, and we go to sudden death. He was messing with me.
Baby.
Luke! Anyone who has ever used headphones to watch our videos, I'm really sorry about this one. Sorry. What? We didn't say ollie late flip off.
Let Carlos get in there too.
It sounds like Metal Mario.
Ooh! Don't get a shinner with this one.
Ow! Ooh. Shinner! Ow! Thank you, FP Socks, thank you.
Dude, it is a sweaty jungle in there.
Nothing. I feel nothing. It's not strawberry milkshake day. Something's wrong with the world today, and I don't know what it is.
Is the board good though?
Yeah, it's really good. Like really, really good.
I'm doing other tricks. Hit the rail! Hit the rail! Hit the rail!
I'm not part of that. I'm not part of that.
Hit the drum.
Quick game of SK8.
Ah, again, I have lost every game so far.
Oh, yes.
Great minds think alike.
We
finish each other's sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
It flips like really fast.
I don't like the way it sounds, but the feeling is cool.
That was the worst prem I've ever had. I've already instant swellbow.
Why is Luke full in the best way?
I have no idea. That was
He's in a
incredible.
lot of pain.
You okay?
No, it just hit my elbow.
Oh, no big deal. Oh yeah.
Throw bows?
Got a wang danger.
All heel, baby.
Got him! Can't be bent.
Sorry for that filming. I thought he was gonna come over here, but he went in the opposite direction.
Oh my god. God, that's hard.
Go for a laser flip.
Laser?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did not even pop that.
Sometimes I can't pop them, dude. It's weird.
Wasn't even my turn.
Still good though.
Here's the part where I go bye-bye.
Are you even trying? I thought your goal was to win, Kelly.
It's not as grippy as I'm used to, but I'm okay.
All right, we got really confused and missed me somehow. Probably it was my fault some way because I did tray flip or something. So I guess now I'm on offense. Ready?
I thought you were gonna beat these guys.
What do you mean I haven't lost?
That was a quick game.
Wait, you're already at T?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You can do that.
Yeah.
That was metal.
Kelly said, "What the heck?" That was worse than mine. Yo quiero Taco Bell.
It's my chance.
Carlos wearing me down.
You guys are really good at skateboarding. Focus it.
Yeah, I ran out of tricks.
Dude, it's like when you want to release it, it just loses grip completely.
Ow! That hurt everything.
I like Metallica, and nothing else matters. Dang it.
Thanos. I wasn't sure what I was gonna try, and then I was like, oh, I'll do this, and then I didn't.
Ah, slippery.
That was awesome. That was hilarious. Battle of the Goliaths.
I think this is like the best board we've ever skated. We just skated all the time.
I cannot keep my foot on this the entire time. It's just slippery. It's like an ice skating rink at this point.
Wow. Ugh. You only have one try on something like that, you know? You either mess it and then you never do it again.
Ah! Not mad.
Oh! I love when you scream. Gets me fired up!
Went from the best board to the worst board. It's always on the last letter, T.
I literally love it when Carlos screams. It's my favorite thing ever.
The sparkles of the silver have sparkled.
I almost don't want to land it. I count.
Hey Daniel, can you get the lighter fluid and the flame torch? All right, so here we are with Carlos, the Daredevil Lastra, and we are going to light this on fire because we thought 1,000-degree skateboard down the 5 would be a good Instagram
You should
shot.
heat it up and then cook some steak on top of it afterwards.
Actually, that's a
That'd
good
be
I
idea.
was thinking an egg.
Did you bring any steak, Gabe?
Yeah, in my trunk.
Go grab it. All right, so we're just gonna douse this up just a little bit, okay? Not too much, Carlos, okay? Not too much.
Not too much. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
There you go. If the whole warehouse lights on fire, I blame Gabe. Woo! Go, Carlos, you got it!
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, Carlos, oh my god.
Like this.
Let's light it on fire on top of the wood, Aaron.
Don't do this at home, ever.
Don't try this at home, people. This is a horrible idea. He said, why don't you heat up the grip tape? Oh, there you go.
We have to be like spraying lighter fluid through the air as he flips.
That's a good idea. Wow, he's dousing that.
Wow!
It's still on fire!
Wow! That's a lot of fire!
It went out. Ah, your shoe! Your shoe! There's the one, Carlos. Yeah!
First strike! Wow, this was completely and utterly incredible. Thank you for sending us this. If you guys have something to send us an email about it at skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. That would be really appreciated, and we love all of your guys' submissions for the You Make It, We Skate It series, because this was awesome. So thank you, each and every one of you guys are completely awesome. Click right here to go to all the other videos in the playlist, which you will have a blast watching. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, and please, yes you, learn how to skateboard, pick up a skateboard, get on your skateboard, and get started skateboarding so you can have fun like Carlos and I.
Yes. Please.